Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Welcome to today's video reflection on a powerful hadith that teaches us the core principles of our faith. Umar ibn al-Khattab, RadiAllahu Anhu, said one day when we were with Allah's messenger, a man with very white clothing and very black hair came up to us. No mark of travel was visible on him, and none of us recognized him. Sitting down beside the Prophet, leaning his knees against his, and placing his hands on his thighs, he said, "Tell me, Muhammad, about Islam." He replied, "Islam means that you should testify that there is no God but Allah and that Muhammad is Allah's messenger, that you should observe the prayer, pay the zakat, fast during Ramadan, and make the pilgrimage to the house if you have the means to go." He said, "You have spoken the truth." We were surprised at his questioning him and then declaring that he spoke the truth. He said, "Now tell me about faith." He replied, "It means that you should believe in Allah, His angels, His books, His apostles, and the last day, and much that you should believe in the decreeing both of good and evil." Remarking that he had spoken the truth, he then said, "Now tell me about doing good." He replied, "It means that you should worship Allah as though you saw Him, for He sees you, though you do not see Him." He said, "Now tell me about the hour." He replied, "The one who is asked about it is no better informed than the one who is asking." He said, "Then tell me about its signs." He replied, "That a maidservant should beget her mistress, and that you should see barefooted, naked, poor men and shepherds exalting themselves in buildings." Umar said, "He then went away, and after I had waited for a long time, the Prophet said to me, 'Do you know who the questioner was, Umar?' I replied, 'Allah and His messenger know best.' He said, 'He was Jibreel who came to you to teach you your religion.'" Subhanallah. This hadith provides a profound and comprehensive understanding of Islam, Iman, faith, and Ihsan, excellence in worship. It reminds us that Islam is not just about rituals, it is a complete way of life, rooted in belief, worship, and moral conduct. It also highlights the importance of being mindful of the signs of the last day. Let us take this lesson to heart and strive to strengthen our faith and devotion to Allah. Every action done sincerely for Allah carries great reward. If you found this video beneficial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic reflections. May Allah guide us all on the straight path. Until next time, Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh.